Do you know why white people are called Nwa Bekee in Igbo land, Nigeria? In Igbo land, Nigeria, the term Nwa Bekee is used to refer to white people, stemming from historical interactions during the 19th century. William Balfour Bekee was an explorer and military agent whose expeditions into Nigeria opened the country to British trade. Bekee commanded significant military campaigns against various Igbo towns, and his name became synonymous with mistrust among the local population. As a result, Bekee evolved in the Igbo lexicon to represent any white man, while a friendly white person is referred to as Onye Ocha, meaning white man. This linguistic evolution reflects the complex historical relationship between the British and the Igbo people, highlighting the lasting impact of colonial encounters. For more inspiring historical and awareness stories like this, please like, share, and subscribe